Good day, everyone. Today, I will be presenting the major classical and modern art movements, as well as different painting techniques and shape art history. For each one, I will be explain its key proponent, context, belief, and an artwork example. Let's begin. First, naturalism. Naturalism is an art movement focused on showing subject as realistic as possible. Artists studied the real world, paying attention to anatomy, lighting, and perspective to make their work like lifelike. Example of naturalism. The Mona Lisa shows naturalism because of its soft shading, realistic skin tones, accurate facial proportions, and natural background. Leonardo da Vinci used light and shadow to make the face look three-dimensional alive. Second is the humanism. Humanism centers on the human beauty, emotion, and potential. Art celebrated the importance of people, their bodies, and their abilities. Its value realism, but focus more on human experience. Humanism example, Michelangelo's David showed the perfect beauty of the human body. The muscle, posture, and confident expression reflect humanist belief that humans are strong, capable, and full of potential. Third, fresco painting. Fresco is a technique where artists paint on wet plaster. As the wall dries, the paint becomes part of it, making the artwork long-lasting and perfect for large walls and ceilings. Example of fresco painting, Michelangelo used fresco to paint large religious scenes across the entire ceiling. The vibrant colors and detailed figures show how fresco is dealt for storytelling in big spaces. Part Tempera painting. Tempera uses pigments mixed with egg yolk. It dries quickly and allows for very fine, precise lines. This technique was popular before oil painting became dominant. Example of tempera painting. Botticelli's Birth of Venus uses tempera to create smooth tex- textures and delicate outlines. The smoothness and the figure detailed here and result of the tempera technique. Fifth, oil painting. Oil painting uses pigments mixed with oil, making colors richer and easier to blend. Artists could create realistic light, shadows, and textures. Example of oil painting. Jan van Eyck used oil painting to capture tiny details, shiny textures, and realistic lighting. The chandelier, mirror, and fabric look almost photographic because of oil paint's blinding ability. Types of modern art movements. First is Expressionism. Expressionism focuses on capture the movement, especially how light changes a scene. Artists are short, quick brushstrokes and painted every life. Example of Impressionism. Monet used low strokes and bright light effect to show a sunrise scene. The painting looks smooth and blurry because Impressionists wanted to show an expression, not detailed realism. Second, Post-Impressionism. Post-Impressionism builds on Impressionism but adds personal feelings, deeper color, and strong emotional expression. Example of Post-Impressionism, Van Gogh used swirling lines, bright stars, and bold colors to express emotion and movement. The sky looks alive, showing his inner feelings rather than realistic view. Third, Cubism. Cubism breaks objects into geometric shape and show different angles at the same time. It challenges traditional perspective. Example of Cubism. Picasso used sharp shape and flattened form to show the figure from multiple views. The face looked much like, showing the Cubist idea of breaking down structure. Fourth, Fauvism. Fauvism uses bright, unnatural color to express emotion. Forms are simplified and the goal used to create strong visual impact. Example of Fauvism. Matisse used bold greens, blues, and reds for face instead of realistic skin tones. This shows the Faubest style emotion first, realism second. Fifth, Expressionism. Expressionism focuses on strong, often negative emotions. Artists distort shape and use dramatic colors to show feelings like fear, sadness, and anxiety. Example of Expressionism. The twisted lines and shocking colors show the artist's intense emotion. The sky looks like it's whirling, and the figure appears terrified, which represent expressionist ideas. 6. Dadaism. Dadaism rejects traditional art rules. It is anti-art, using humor, absurdity, and randomness to protect society and war. Example of Dadaism. Duchamp took an ordinary mural, signed it, and called it art. This challenges people to question what art really is, a core belief in Dadaism. 7. Surrealism. Surrealism explores dreams, the subconscious mind, an unusual combination of objects. It often looks strange or invisible. Example of surrealism. Dali painted melting clocks in a desert-like landscape, creating a dreamlike scene. It represents how time can feel distorted in dreams. 8. Pop art. Pop art uses images from everyday culture, like celebrities, advertisement, and product. It highlights consumerism and modern life using bold colors. Example of pop art. World repeated Marilyn Monroe's face many times to show how celebrities become mass produced icons. The bright color and reputation reflect pop art values.